looking at auto ancillary, and I think, of course, we see Mothers and Sumi come up, but there have been a lot of other auto anch names as well, tire names that have also been catching our eye. When do you see some of those start to see some traction, Arpit? What's looking good on your charts?
If you see overall auto index has been a huge outperformer. So it has moved in line with the Nifty index, and we see Nifty auto is also a life high territories. So definitely a lot of actions is seen within the auto pack. First pick would be from the auto space would be Ashok Leyland. So if you look at the chart setup of Ashok Leyland, a very strong setup on the monthly time frame. Weekly setup it gave a range breakout about 153 levels. Yesterday there was some pause, but the uptrend is intact. Today we have again see higher high structure and range breakout of 162 levels. So I think positionally we can see good move towards 175, 180 levels going forward with a 1 to 2 months time frame. Along with the second would be from the four-wheeler space would be M&M. So M&M, if we see the structure on the monthly scale, slowly steadily the stock is moving higher. So on the weekly scale, it gave a range breakout above 3700 levels after 3 weeks. Though on the daily scale, it is moving in a band. But the good part is that the base of the stock is shifting higher, and we can see positioning 3900, 4000 on the cards. Along with the third counter would be from the two-wheeler space would be TVS Motor. So TVS Motor also yesterday after a good set of numbers, very strong setup on the monthly time frame, weekly setup, lower rise negation, range breakout above 3600 levels. From here on we can expect good 6 to 8% rally towards 3850 levels. So Ashok Leyland, M&M and TVS Motor would be a preferred pick within the auto space going forward, where we can see outperformance going forward.
Arpit, give us some of your top picks as we sort of take a look at the broader market. Where are you seeing some bright spots?
So first would be the flavor of sector, that is the IT sector. So if you look at the overall IT sector, certain pockets are outperforming stupendously. So if you look at it from the IT index, though IT index is slowly starting to gaining traction, but Persistent is a preferred pick within the IT sector. So a very strong setup on the monthly time frame, forming higher rise, higher low structure. On the weekly scale, from last 4 weeks, the structure is intact. Daily scale, slowly steady, the stock is moving close to its previous all-time high. So I think Persistent is the one counter that we can expect a good rally towards 6800, 7000 levels positionally. Along with that, within the similar space would be second pick would be Coforge. So Coforge also has been very much resilient, where we have seen brutal selling in the IT stocks in the last 6 months. But Coforge also is forming a nice pattern on the monthly scale, and I think a sense about 1950 closing, definitely the stock can head towards new life high trades towards 2100 levels.
Let's also talk about those gold and silver prices and what's the best way to play gold right now. Would it be through one of the financiers or would it be through an ETF?
If you see overall, particularly if we talk about the gold prices, we have seen a very sharp up move. And in fact, if we see that the same play has been seen for selective stocks also. If you look at the chart section of Muthoot Finance, so Muthoot Finance has been a classical play along with the gold rally that we have seen in last couple of months time frame. So stock moved from 2300 to almost 3800 level in last 4 to 5 months, and still now there is no stopping on the weekly or the monthly time frame analysis. So if you look at the chart structure of Muthoot Finance, definitely the rally of gold can be subsequently play along with this, and definitely we can see good upside towards 4000, 4200 levels positionally from here on also in Muthoot Finance. Along with that, if you look at the chart structure of Manappuram Finance, similar, though the stock is trading in on the monthly screen sideways, but the bigger trend is positive, and slowly steadily the stock can head towards 300, 320 levels. So I think to play along with the gold rally, we have to keep this certain stocks also in mind, where we can take the benefit of it and we can add it to the portfolio from a 3 to 6 months perspective.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.